Hi, in this video we are going to learn how to bring data from multiple files in a folder in Power BI. So we have already created a folder and we have added two files here, and in we will define the Power BI report such a way that in case if we are increasing the number of files or number of files are decreasing also, it should not have any impact. It takes data from all the files. One thing we'll have to keep in mind when we are trying to get data from multiple files is all the files must have same schema. So I have a CSV file here, a text file in fact, with comma separated delimiter, and I have three columns. So I have added employee ID 1 2 here and employee ID 3 and 4 here, and we'll try to pick data from this in Power BI. So we can either click here to get the data, or we can close this one and we can go to get data option here. So let's click on get data. So to get data from multiple files, we have an option called folder. From there we'll try to get the data. So here is what we have: folders. But before even going to folders, I want to create a parameter so that tomorrow if we want to change anything there in the system, it we say file folder path changes, we just need to update the parameter and it takes data from that folder. So to add the parameter, let's go here and transform data, and you can go to manage parameters. So you create a new parameter and name it as file path, and we can make it as a text. So we will put any value for now, and whatever path we have for now we can put that path, and later on if we want to change we can change that path as well. So we have saved our parameter here. Let's go and close it or cancel it. Let's start adding the data from here itself. So we click on more. Let's wait for the window, and then we select folder. And once we have got the folder, we can click here and we can assign the parameter. So this file path parameter will take care of assigning a folder to it. Now we click on OK, and we have two files. So we'll simply say combine and transform data. So we'll combine the data from both the files. This is first file and you have second file. So we are good with it. So yeah, it looks fine. So let's go ahead, post preview. So we'll click on OK. So here we can see the source names and the data from that source, and this is what we are going to use in our query. So our data source, or let's name it as data set. Let's close it and let's create a separate folder and try to add three files there. So we'll name it as BBS and We'll copy these data into PBS and we'll add one more file. Let's name it as mp3, and instead of 3 4, let's make it 5 and 6, and we'll change the name. And let's save it. Now what we'll do, we'll simply change the folder path and we'll try to refresh. So it's PBS, make it PBS, and we'll close and apply. So it's fetching data from the files. Let's go and check what data we have got. Still refreshing. Okay, we have got our data set. Let's quickly go to the data set and check. So now you can see we are getting data from all the three files. So this is how you can combine data from multiple files inside a folder.